Hello friends! As you know, drinking natural homemade drinks is one of the best ways to lose weight. These mixtures boost the metabolism and help you to cut down the fat from your body. Today in this video, we want to teach you to make one of the best mixtures, so stay tuned. Firstly, we will be using an apple. Slice the apple with its skin. Apple is a high-fiber fruit, so it contributes to a feeling of fullness. Put it to the blender. Now peel half a banana and slice it nicely. Take one orange and peel it and slice it finely. Orange is a great fat burner fruit and it has wonderful effects on weight loss. Chop one fresh ginger and add it to the ingredients. Lastly, squeeze half a lemon and pour the lemon juice in the blender. Add 1 glass of water and let them mix nicely. As simple as that, our fat-burning mixture is ready. We suggest you to consume it for 10 days in a row for the best results and surprised by the changes in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.